Welcome to Outdoors with the Common Man. Let's go shoot some shit. Don't forget that like button, subscribe. It's all painted out now. Beautiful little guys. They're called fiddleheads. Hey guys, Coyote here. Well, if you watched the live that we did, I told you I was going to paint up my producer's 22. She wanted it pink camo. So she does more ranging at the firing at the range than she does out in the woods hunting. She's got her license, but she's a newbie to it. So we're going to get her going today, probably on some squirrel, hopefully. So what we did is, we're going to 3D paint it like I did the boat over there. So I told her to go ahead and get her pink, get a black, and get clear so we can seal it with the clear. Like I said before on the boat video, always start with your lightest color. Work to your dark color and seal it in. It's gonna be quick and easy. I taped it all up so I can just spray paint everything pink. Let it dry for a second. While it's drying, we'll go and find a piece of foliage that she wants to use for her pattern. Snip a couple pieces off so that you have a couple pieces, because it'll get caked with paint real quick. And then we'll go from there. So without any further ado, I'll back these paint cans off. I guess I had the lid off that one a little bit. I want to see it. And give it a good shaky shake. And as you know how to paint, you got to paint so many inches away and everything. The wind's going pretty good today. It's coming this way at me. So I'll actually stand up and paint with my back to the wind, so the wind will carry it away and not get it on me. So, real simple. Oh, that's pretty pink. There's enough layers on it that you know everything's nice and covered. Alright, now we'll wait a couple of minutes for this side to dry. We'll flip it over and do the other side. So when I flip it over, it's dried, you'll see some more. Alright, so we're going to get this side done up. Same with the magazine, get the clear coat on it, so that way it's drying so we can get loaded up and head out into the woods. So we'll get this going. Fine detail in here in the back. Some more on this ridge line up here. Switch back. And it's not a paint, it's more of a dusting of the paint on it, guys. You just try to keep it as still as you possibly can. And you get these cool little effects. Like that. That ultimate detail going on it, and there, that side's done. Now we'll get a little detail on the front. Do this one real quick. That's it. Now we're just going to clear coat them and let them dry. And we can get loaded up and we can get to the woods so we can start trying to see if we can get some of that on film for you guys. You know what? I want to do a little bit on the stock back here. Just for looks. Just a little on the back of the stock. Might as well, if you're gonna have it, might as well have it. Oh, you know why I did it there? Because that's tape. The problem when you paint, you can get a little perfectionist with it. But all in all, if you wanted to get that same paint job on your gun, originally when you bought it, it's an extra $100 to $200 to get a camo on your gun when you buy them, straight out. I'm not gonna lie, this clear coat actually helps bring out that camo pattern a little bit more than what it originally was there. And that's how you do your at-home redneck 3D camo. I'm sorry guys that I didn't get all detailed when I did it on my boat, but it was just me. I didn't have my film person with me. So now she has a girly camoed gun. Could I have went ahead and, you know, got another paint that was a little bit darker than that one, so I had the 3-layer set up? Yeah. But like I said, she mainly does range with it, so it was just for pure aesthetics and just purely so that you guys had another video so you could actually see how I did the boat paint job with the camo paint job. You know, if you went out and got to a dollar store and, you know, you could get your paint from there, it'll work just the same, just as fine. You don't have to use what we had, the double coated stuff. That's just what she picked up, and it's fine. When I did my boat, I had the actual camo paints, but I found them at the dollar store for $1 a piece, you know, on the off season. Good job, good deal. So that's all set, and we'll have this thrown in a video somewhere for you guys to catch up and see it. So we'll catch you next time. We're gonna get ready and head out into the woods. This has been Outdoors with the Common Man. I've been Coyote. This has been Real Videos for Real People. See you later. You guys like horses? There's our ponies and our 2 horses. The brown and white, the paint there is Duchess. The one moving behind her is Spirit. And then the young one, white one there, who's constantly getting dirty, his name is Wyatt. Look, the big paint there, we do believe that she is pregnant from another horse that we went riding with. And she pastured her overnight. Apparently she decided to be a whore.